Hey, food enthusiasts! Ever wondered why beluga caviar is so expensive? Let's dive into the fascinating history and meticulous process behind this luxurious delicacy. Beluga caviar has ancient origins dating back to ancient Persia. The tradition of consuming caviar began there, where it was considered a prized delicacy with supposed medicinal properties. Over the centuries, this delicacy spread across the globe, becoming synonymous with wealth and luxury. Now, let's talk about the beluga sturgeon, from which this exquisite caviar comes. The beluga sturgeon, or huso, is one of the largest and rarest sturgeon species. These incredible fish can live for over 100 years and take up to 20 years to mature and produce roe. Imagine waiting 2 decades just to taste a single spoonful. This long maturation period contributes significantly to the high cost of beluga caviar. Beluga caviar has graced the tables of Russian czars, Persian kings, and European aristocrats. Its rarity and exquisite taste made it one of the most expensive food items in the world. However, it's not just about rarity. Due to overfishing and habitat destruction, beluga sturgeon populations have drastically declined. This led to strict regulations and conservation efforts to protect this endangered species. Nowadays, much of the beluga caviar comes from sustainable aquaculture farms. So how is beluga caviar made? The process begins with harvesting. The roe is carefully extracted from mature female beluga sturgeons. This labor-intensive process requires significant expertise. Next, the roe is gently cleaned and lightly salted in a process known as Malool, which means little salt in Russian. This technique enhances the flavor while preserving the delicate texture of the caviar. Finally, the caviar is graded based on the size, color, and texture of the eggs. The highest quality caviar boasts large, glossy eggs with a firm texture and a rich, creamy flavor. Beluga caviar is renowned for its large, pearlescent eggs, which can vary in color from light gray to almost black. It offers a buttery, delicate flavor with subtle nutty undertones and a smooth, velvety texture. Traditionally, beluga caviar is served chilled, often on a bed of ice. It pairs beautifully with blinis, toast points, or crackers. Garnishes like creme fraiche, finely chopped onions, hard-boiled eggs, or lemon wedges elevate the experience. Remember, always use a non-metallic spoon, preferably made of mother-of-pearl, to avoid altering its taste. Beluga caviar remains a symbol of opulence and fine dining, cherished for its luxurious taste and the meticulous craftsmanship involved in its production. Despite its high cost and the challenges associated with its sourcing, it continues to be a sought-after delicacy in gourmet cuisine worldwide. So, next time you see beluga caviar on a menu, you'll know exactly why it's so extraordinary and worth every penny. Thanks for watching, and happy tasting.